वह सुबह जल्दी उठता है। He wakes up early in the morning. He wakes up early in the morning. मैं हर रविवार मंदिर जाता हूँ। I go to the temple every Sunday. I go to the temple every Sunday. वह बहुत सुंदर गाती है। She sings very beautifully. She sings very beautifully. हमने नया घर खरीदा है। We have bought a new house. We have bought a new house. वह एक ईमानदार आदमी है। He is an honest man. He is an honest man. यह काम मुझे पसंद है। I like this work. I like this work. बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे हैं। The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. वह अपने माता पिता की बहुत इज्जत करता है। He respects his parents a lot. He respects his parents a lot. बारिश के बाद मौसम सुहावना हो गया। The weather became pleasant after the rain. The weather became pleasant after the rain. उसने परीक्षा में अच्छे अंक प्राप्त किए। He scored good marks in the exam. He scored good marks in the exam. मैं आज स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगा। I will not go to school today. I will not go to school today. वह समय पर नहीं आता। He doesn't come on time. He doesn't come on time. हमें यह प्रस्ताव स्वीकार नहीं है। We don't accept this proposal. We do not accept this proposal. उसने मुझे फोन नहीं किया। He didn't call me. He didn't call me. मैं दूध नहीं पीता। I do not drink milk. I don't drink milk. वे वहां नहीं रहते। They don't live there. They don't live there. यह रास्ता सही नहीं है। This is not the right way. This is not the right way. उसने कुछ नहीं कहा। He said nothing. He said nothing. मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand anything. I didn't understand anything. वह कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता। He never tells lies. He never tells lies. तुम कल क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? क्या तुमने होमवर्क कर लिया? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? वह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? क्या बारिश होने वाली है? Is it going to rain? Is it going to rain? तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you reading? What are you reading? हम कब निकलेंगे? When will we leave? When will we leave? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? तुम्हें यह किताब कहाँ से मिली? Where did you get this book from? Where did you get this book from? क्या तुम्हें संगीत पसंद है? Do you like music? Do you like music? दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Close the door. Close the door. कृपया यहाँ बैठिए. Please sit here. Please sit here. उसे अंदर आने दो. Let him come in. Let him come in. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. अपना काम खत्म करो. Finish your work. Finish your work. मोबाइल साइलेंट पर रखो. Put the phone on silent. Put the phone on silent. सच बोलो. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. मुझे बाद में कॉल करना. Call me later. Call me later. अगर बारिश हुई तो हम नहीं जा पाएंगे. If it rains, we won't be able to go. If it rains, we won't be able to go. चाहे जो भी हो मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा. No matter what, I won't give up. No matter what, I won't give up. वह जितना दिखता है उतना सरल नहीं है. He is not as simple as he looks. He is not as simple as he looks. मैंने उसे मना किया था फिर भी वह गया. I warned him, yet he went. I warned him, yet he went. जब वह आया तब मैं जा चुका था. I had left when he arrived. I had left when he arrived. मुझे लगता है यह सही निर्णय है. I think this is the right decision. I think this is the right decision. मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम उसे माफ कर दो. I want you to forgive him. I want you to forgive him. उसने वादा किया था लेकिन निभाया नहीं. He promised but didn't keep it. He promised but didn't keep it. अगर तुम चाहो तो मैं मदद कर सकता हूं. I can help if you want. I can help if you want. जितनी जल्दी हो सके वापस आओ. Come back as soon as possible. Come back as soon as possible. क्या तुम्हें भूख लगी है? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? हाँ मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. Yes, I am very hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. क्या हम कुछ खा सकते हैं? Can we eat something? Can we eat something? मुझे चाय पीनी है. I want to have tea. I want to have tea. क्या आपके पास समय है? Do you have time? Do you have time? मुझे थोड़ी देर की नींद चाहिए. I need a short nap. I need a short nap. मुझे यह जगह बहुत पसंद है. I really like this place. I really like this place. चलो कहीं घूमने चलते हैं. Let's go for an outing. Let's go for an outing.